Guess what? There's another new Cricut update. This one is for images that you can edit. Cricut, personally, I would put that just under images to keep them together, but nobody asked me, I guess. So if I click on this, you can see all these different images. And the stuff that is in black is what is a permanent image. The stuff that is in blue is actually a text that you can edit. So in the past, for something like this, we would have found a wreath or a split monogram piece and added our own text. But here they're filling everything in and make it so we can edit it. So this could be really fun if you have to make like a whole bunch of something, but you want it to say something different every time. For example, you're doing shirts for a trip and you want to do it every year with the same look, but just change the year or where you're going. If you want to put, instead of Easter phrases, like all the grandkids' names, that would make it really easy to edit this. Here's another one for change it from birthday, boy, girl, whatever. Change the year. So you can see they're making it easier for us to do some of this stuff, but as a crafter, I probably would have just found an image that said bear in it and then typed up my own words just using the text function. This will, though, make it nice for people who were like, oh, it's Mother's Day. I want one that says, Grandma Bear or Gigi or Mum. Now they have the option to edit those. The pricing structure is going to be unique. Um, if you pay for access, which I don't, there'll be no price. If you don't pay for access, but you already own the image, then you have one price because then you're just paying for the font. So I decided to pick this one because when my son was little, he was very into dinosaurs. And I was not a mamasaurus, I was the mommy-saurus. So that's how I would have done mine. But then I could duplicate, and his name is Tommy, and we called him the Tommysaurus. So then that's how easy it would be to edit these. And him and I could have had matching shirts. Before you go, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. I love to hear from you.